Right, welcome to Bespoke Flooring Solutions. This is another office in Uxbridge, London. We are inside. As you can see, we have installed some Amtico flooring, Polygon Key Mini, that's what it's called. Polygon design. Let me show you the boxes. So this is the Amtico flooring. We ordered over 100 boxes, Amtico signature, HD adhesive as well, wet set. And that is the design. Beautiful looking design for an office space. Let's do some installation. Right, we spread out all our tiles and make sure everything is in order, and we've spreaded the adhesive. You don't need to wait for it to be dry. So this is a wet set adhesive. You go 2 meters by 1 meter long, otherwise it will dry and won't get stuck down. So make sure you always lay the tiles wet set. Right, so we've done all our measurement and chalk line, and now we're going to start laying. So that's the adhesive. Make sure you use a good knot trowel so you've got plenty of adhesive on the floor. And once this adhesive is completely spread out and done, then you can start the installation of the Amtico flooring Polygon Key Mini. That's what it's called, this design. Quite a headache to get this installed. Make sure there is no hairline gap. It does open quite easily if you don't pay attention, if you don't lay the tile on the chalk line. So as simple as that. There are 3 different colors, so within 3 different colors you will get this Polygon Key Mini design of flooring. Make sure you've got a wet cloth next to you, because you will get this wet set adhesive all over the tile and on your gloves as well. So clean the adhesive as you go along and make sure it's nice and clean. So that's how we install the Amtico flooring. It does require a lot of patience because you are dealing with so little mini tile. Once everything is installed on the chalk line, things cannot go wrong, trust me. But it's always about the first chalk line that you put in, whether you centralize it or you start from anywhere of the room. Make sure it's dead on the pencil line, otherwise it can easily go wrong. A lot of people do this sort of design who are Amtico approved installer, but we always do a lot of Condin and Amtico flooring installation no matter what. And we had another 3 floor layers. They only installed the straight lay Amtico flooring. They couldn't deal with this sort of design, but we got it done. Right, the 68 kg roller all over it. Now we are gonna do the other side where the Polygon meets the straight installation of Amtico tile. As you can see, we're dry laying everything. So I fitted the right hand side straight plank, and I've left the last row without adhesive. And I left the left hand side of the Polygon without adhesive as well, so make sure I can overlap both on top of each other. Now I score it and mark it. This is the hardest point of Amtico fitting, and I use my X-Actors just to do a little bit of bevel the edge for a uniform finish. Right, this is all done, and later on we're gonna lift the tile, put the adhesive down and refit it, roll it, job done. Simple as that. Here we go. This is the finishing of the Amtico flooring Polygon Mini. That's what it's called, and it's looking great. We still got to continue to do the whole space of this office, and hopefully it'll take us probably another 2 days to finish it all off. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe. Bye bye.